Napakahalagang mandato po ng saligang batas ito. Klaro at walang kalabuan. Once we receive the articles of impeachment, trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed. Hahatulan tayo ng sambayanan kung hindi natin ginampanan ang tungkulin na ito sa sambayanan.
If we cannot conclude the trial before June 30, 2025, we must recognize this impeachment case is functionally dismissed by constitutional operation and no action can be taken by the 20th Congress on the matter for lack of constitutional authority. Mr. President, kahit anong pilit, hindi maitatawid, lalo na't kung lalabag sa saligang batas.
Hence, it is my humble opinion that the trial of the current impeachment case, now pending before the Senate of the 19th Congress, can cross over or continue from the 19th Congress to the 20th Congress. The impeachment docket of the Senate Impeachment Court continues and remains to be the same.
Meron po ba nakalagay sa konstitusyon, sa saligang batas ng Pilipinas, 1935, 1973, 1987 na carry over?
Wala pong nakasulat doon that it shall carry over, pero binanggit ko sa aking manifestation, wala talaga rin nakasulat doon that it cannot cross over.
Pero pinakamalaking tanong sa lahat ng yan, matutuloy nga ba talaga ang impeachment trial? Sinagot ni Senate President Chis Escudero ang mga posibleng kahantungan ng impeachment trial. Isa na dyan ay kung magkukonvene ba talaga sa June 11 ng Senado bilang impeachment court.
Sa dulo, ano man ang opinion nila, miyembro man sila ng Senado ngayon o hindi, ano man ang opinion ko bilang tagapangulo ng Senado, sa dulo, ang susundin naming lahat, ang desisyon ng plenaryo, ng mas nakararami. The plenary of the Senate is the supreme body of the Senate. It gets to decide anything and everything.